Okay, this is my, actually this is 3-on-3 box. I upgrade it a little bit, change it into 5-on-5 deck. So kita nak modify sikit lah, kita upgrade sikit kita punya box kali ni. So let's see hasilnya. Beyblade. Okay, I have completed this part. This part. Okay, I will assemble on top of this. Like that. Okay, so it will look like this. Let's start it. I need to glue it up. Okay, I finally completed this part. I think I need to finish it properly later on. Tinggal di atas ini saja lagi. Okay, dah siap. Cuma perlu clean up sikit lah. I need to clean up a little bit. So finally it's completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deck. Here you are. Just nice. Okay, akhirnya box kita dah siap. Tu dia. Yes. So nice. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartment. Then I have an extra one. Ada nombor. Stiker tak cukup lagi. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching.